So Isaac Mulapo is back with a bang. And imagine the grace that he found, because now he goes with the police to church and found Ezekiel on the pulpit while he's trying to rob and lie to the community of Tembisa. And when he goes in, they arrested Ezekiel right in front of Jurim Kwam Kwabantu. And that, I think, was an advantage for Isaac, because after when he was arrested, he did indicate to Isaac that unagana gore o fentse ha iso fail taba ya ka le wena. And I'm just thinking, hey, monna mogolo sa nagana gore o sa tlo boa hape and continue from where you left off. I don't know. Nagana gore maqheka ha a sa tlo bereka le ha ba go tshwere ba itse batho ba itse nnete. You must have a bigger charm than I thought. Anyway, amaphoyisa amthatha nangu uyaphuma nesikata bowl sakhe. And then now Isaac gets the pulpit. Isaac gets to speak to the community. And imagine what better way to speak to them in church, where everyone is there and everyone is willing to hear what has happened. Isaac explained exactly what has happened. Though these people, they framed me because now with my history, if they said something that it's now negative ngami, considering of the person that I used to be back in the days. So now they use that to their advantage, and now manjengila. Mina, I love Tembisa. I'm someone that's going to work hard for Tembisa. My goal is to see Tembisa flourish, and I will never do anything to harm or hurt anyone in Tembisa intentionally. So, speeches are shy, Abu Mama Ding Dong, and then they stood up and give a standing ovation. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing a House of Zwide. Limadekwana sanbonan minjani hipukile hingongwina. So namutlakano wa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma koroslas temsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Unkosi is falling in love with Upalisa, but ungati yamuhla lento lena. He then had a conversation with Ufaith saying, you know, when I think about this whole thing, it feels like I'm betraying Ushoki, considering with him. Mina no Palisa, we once cheated together, Chitela Ushoki, and then now I'm having feelings for the same person that I had Ushoki with. I'm thinking that wherever she's sitting, she's looking down on me and say, "Ooh, Kosiam, again. You're doing it before I die. Then you do it again, Masing. It's like, Kosiam." So now he says does not feel really comfortable pursuing the feelings, because my feelings were unawo, but pursuing them is a problem for him. Now Faith says, you know what, if Shoki has to look down on you, she would probably be happy to see you being happy. You are overcharging yourself, and if you've got feelings, you need to go right ahead. Because if there's one thing that you need to know about yourself, you cannot live your life in the past and then ungafuna ukuba happy purely because you think you're going to please someone ongasaphili emhlabeni. So that will be like very sad for you to lead a sad life and go and hunt for love elsewhere, even if there's someone that your heart is falling in love with, and afuna ukumnaka because you are judging yourself. And I was like, hi Faith, was it not you fighting Upalisa not so long ago? Manje is you again saying Upalisa is a good one. Okay, well, now the circumstances have changed. Then after that conversation, Ukosi went and saw Upalisa. I've been wrong about so many things. I've been quiet about so many things. But one thing that I'm sure about is that, hey, Joe, I'm falling for you. I think do you feel the same? My man. I felt it, guys. And I feel it. And I want to clearly say it. I told you, Gutimina. I see Ushoki and Unkosi dating, and y'all said nothing. And then I told you that I'll come back and tell you and I go Pia Manga one. Are they not exchanging body fluids? Abahlale emashitini manje. Yeah, ngimtshelile. Anyway, Isaac got to realize ukuthi uswaro wakhe can go pillar to post for him, and he deserves a special thank you, because Umsizi spoke to him and told him ukuthi if there was one person that never gave up on you and believed Horoswari is still a person that we thought he is Molife. He deserves a thank you from you. And I felt Guti it was necessary for Umsizi to say it so that Swar can know Guti Umlife stood by him through thick and thin. While speaking of thick and thin, Ukatleho had a conversation with his girlfriend, Keleto. And Keleto told Katleho that, you know what, my father is not the kind of person that holds grudge. If anything, he is actually happy that you helped him, because where we are now is because Umsizile. If it wasn't for you, he was not going to be out of jail. While he goes there, Kamulapo and Isaac Mulapo had a conversation with him and said, you know what, I actually thank you for coming through for me. If it wasn't for you, I would still be in jail. So I just want to appreciate that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please give it a very big thumbs up.